Welcome back to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. If you're new here, I'm Hope, and each week I bring you step-by-step recipes that you can make in your own kitchen. Today, we're doing a quick recipe for pickled onions. Now these onions are red onions and they're good on so many things like tacos, sandwiches, hamburgers, you name it, even grain bowls. Let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. For our pickled red onions, we'll need water, distilled vinegar, red wine vinegar, kosher salt, red pepper flakes, whole black peppercorns, red onion, jalapeños, and sugar. You'll also need a couple of ball jars to put the onions in. For our pickling mixture, I'm going to mix in 1 cup of water, 1 cup of distilled white vinegar, 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, one and a half teaspoons of salt. Bring this to a boil pretty quickly. Okay, so that's boiling now. I will turn that off and we'll get our vegetables ready. Also, as part of the ingredients, I'm going to use some peeled garlic to go into the jars. I have some red onions that were already sliced that I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to be using 1 onion, cutting off both ends. Okay, I'm going to slice them fairly thin in this way. Okay, you want them to be about like that. You can cut them up and down, or you can cut them like that, either way. This way, from core end, I think they hold their structure a little better. I have 2 jars here. I'm not sure if it's going to fill both of them up or not, but I'm going to put in other onions that I had first. Kind of pull them apart. And then just stuff them down into the jars. You can pack them down pretty tightly. Okay, I like mine kind of spicy, so I've washed these freshly picked jalapeno peppers, and I'm just going to slice them in rings and then just throw them in there. Pickled onions are great on so many things. Just a great condiment to have in your fridge. You can put them on Mexican food, hamburgers, sandwiches, grain bowls, so many things. I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes to each jar. About the same amount of black peppercorns. 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns. I'm going to cut up a few garlic cloves to go in as well. Now the garlic cloves were not in my original lineup of ingredients, but I think they'll make a great addition. Okay, now we're going to add in our pickling juice. Just goes right on top. Fill up the jar till it covers most of the ingredients. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on. Make sure there's a tight seal, give it a good shake. Then I'm going to take the lid off again and let it cool. Let it cool down. See if I can get some of those ingredients to get back down in there. Okay, I'm going to let these jars cool off a little bit, then I'll put the lids on. I can keep them in the refrigerator now for up to a month. We'll be back once they cool off and sit for at least an hour, and we'll do a little taste test. Okay, these pickled onions have been sitting for a little while in the refrigerator. Let's give them a taste test. Now these are the kind of onions that will just get better as they sit in the refrigerator in that juice. Okay, I have a little bit of onion, some jalapeno pepper, and I'm just eating it straight, which I don't mind. They're already picking up that jalapeno spice in there, even after an hour. Very tangy with a little bit of sweetness. That's going to be perfect on tacos and burgers, a lot of different things. Use your imagination. This is great. Thanks so much for joining me on Hope's Homemade Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed it today as we made pickled onions. This is a great thing to use up those garden vegetables, and I really hope you try it. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel and share with your friends. Hit that bell for notifications of more videos to come out, and we'll see you next time.